Welcome back. Today, we're showcasing a lineup of home and kitchen gadgets designed to make life easier and bring style to your space. From clever tools to smart essentials, these must-haves will transform your daily routine. Introducing the Couch Console Original Tray, the perfect companion for movie nights. With a self-balancing cup holder, customizable compartments, and a built-in USB-C charging port, it keeps snacks, drinks, and your phone within easy reach. Upgrade your couch experience with this clever tray. Say goodbye to noisy vacuums with the Vabroom, a broom and vacuum in one. This powerful yet whisper-quiet gadget makes quick work of cleanups. With a press of a button, you can sweep and then vacuum up every last crumb in total peace. Calling all coffee lovers. Beat the self-stirring mug where the only thing you need to do is add coffee and press a button. It stirs itself to the perfect consistency. Imagine a smooth brew every time without even lifting a spoon. And yes, it's USB rechargeable. This isn't just a chair, it's a relaxation revolution. With an adjustable chest cavity for maximum comfort, the outdoor tanning chair takes lounging to new heights. Beach day, poolside, it's like it's been made just for you and the sun. Bring the cinema experience right into your living room or backyard. This compact projector has intelligent screen adaptation, so it auto-focuses and adjusts for perfect angles. Tired of stretching across the table? With the Lazy Susan turntable, family-style dinners just got an upgrade. It fits any table size and spins effortlessly. Laundry day just got a major upgrade with the Laundry Turtle. It's collapsible, easy to store, and takes the hassle out of transferring clothes. No more wrestling with tangled laundry, just scoop and go. Gamers, this one's for you. With 40 hours of battery life and memory foam cushions, this wireless gaming headset takes marathon gaming to a new level of comfort. Console or mobile? You're covered. Dog owners, rejoice. No more muddy paws on your floors, just add water, twist, and your pup's paws are as clean as can be. Kicking things off with the electric can opener. It's a dream for anyone who's struggled with opening cans. This little powerhouse automatically attaches, rotates, and opens cans smoothly, leaving no sharp edges. Next, give your jewelry a spa day. The ultrasonic jewelry cleaner uses high-frequency sound waves to scrub away grime without harsh chemicals. Restore your favorite pieces sparkle in just minutes. Love pasta? Hate the hassle. The microwave pasta cooker has you covered. This gadget lets you make al dente pasta in under 10 minutes, with a built-in strainer for easy cooking and cleanup. Perfect pasta, no boiling water necessary. For the indoor gardeners, we've got the Smart Garden Kit. It's designed with a 24-hour LED light schedule that mimics sunlight, helping your plants grow faster and healthier. Grow fresh herbs and greens all year round with minimal effort. Say goodbye to pesky bugs with the electric fly swatter. With a powerful 4,000-volt charge, it zaps flies and mosquitoes instantly, and the stylish base makes it easy to grab when needed. Rechargeable, portable, and a must-have for pest-free relaxation. Ever needed an extra set of hands in the kitchen? The automatic pan stirrer is here to help. It has 3 speed options and heat-resistant legs, so you can set it up to stir soups or sauces while you focus on other tasks. Cooking just got a whole lot easy. If chopping vegetables feels like a chore, meet the Full Star Vegetable Chopper. It's a lifesaver with multiple attachments for slicing, dicing, and even grating cheese. Ideal for salad lovers or anyone wanting to speed up meal prep. Here's a sweet addition to your breakfast table. The Honeybee Glass Syrup Dispenser. Just fill it with syrup or honey, and a gentle squeeze will add the perfect drizzle. This is a fantastic gift idea too. Love bacon? Don't waste that flavorful grease. The all-at-home bacon grease container has a built-in strainer, so you can easily save or reuse the grease for added flavor in other dishes. This caterpillar-shaped peeler isn't just cute, it's sharp, comfortable, and peels fruits and veggies effortlessly. A fun and functional addition for food prep. Serve your wine at the perfect temperature with the Husky Wine Chiller. This sleek stainless steel container keeps your bottle cold for hours, making it ideal for entertaining or a relaxing evening in. The Kitchen Art Spice Carousel doesn't just organize your spices, it measures them. Dial in teaspoons, tablespoons, and more for precise seasoning. All in one turn of this clever carousel. Cutting watermelon just got easier. The Yidata watermelon slicer creates perfect, bite-sized cubes in seconds, saving you time and keeping your hands mess-free. For avocado lovers, the OXO 3-in-1 slicer is a must. It opens, pits, and slices avocados with ease, making it perfect for everything from salads to avocado toast. Boiling eggs, Let the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker do it for you. It cooks up to 6 eggs at once and gives you perfectly boiled eggs every time without any fuss. Keep your air fryer clean with these paper liners, which can withstand the heat and keep food confined while cooking. No more tearing bread with hard butter. This stainless steel butter spreader creates smooth, spreadable curls, making it easy to enjoy perfect buttery toast every time. Keep your herbs fresh for up to 3 times longer with the Prepara Herb Saver. Its built-in water reservoir gently hydrates stems without drowning them. Simply fill it up, place your herbs inside, and store it in the fridge. Stay safe in the kitchen with Waga Kitchen Finger Guards. This 4-pack of stainless steel guards fits over your fingers, protecting them while you chop or slice. Perfect for beginners and easy to clean, they let you chop worry-free and enjoy cooking. Eliminate sink puddles with the silicone faucet handle drip catcher tray. This flexible silicone tray catches drips around your faucet, keeping countertops dry and clean. It's an easy, mess-free solution for any kitchen. These tools make it easier to create pulled pork sandwiches than ever before. The meat shreds are food-safe claws that effortlessly separate cooked meat into shreds suitable for sandwiches, salads, and other applications. Introducing RSVP International Tear-Free Onion Goggles. These comfy goggles block onion vapors with a snug foam seal and fog-free lenses, ensuring tear-free chopping. Cooking bacon does not have to be a terrible. The Bad Boy Bacon Maker allows you to simply cook 6 strips of bacon in the microwave while catching the grease for a mess-free cleaning. There are no more stale chips here. This little bag sealer is ideal for resealing chips, crackers, candy, or anything else in a plastic bag by using heat to quickly reseal the bag repeatedly. Keep your blades sharp with the help of this cute rhino from Amazon. Sharpen the knife by striking it over the horn, then leave it on the counter as a cute ornament. The cooker provides ample kitchen storage, even in tiny places. The magnetic shelf stands right above your stove, transforming what was previously unused space into a storage spot for oil, spices, and other needs. Say goodbye to spills and drips with this spray bottle for all your olive oil requirements. The Zerui oil sprayer's nozzle evenly sprays oil into food or pans when baking, and it may be used with any sort of oil, dressing, or other ingredient. Get the most out of your strawberry with this ingenious approach to remove the stem and leaves. If only we'd been doing it for years. The top-rated Chef'n Original Stem Strawberry Huller eliminates residual stems, resulting in neatly chopped strawberries each time. Furthermore, it does the job, removing the core without sacrificing much of the fruit. The garlic press set includes a strong garlic press, a silicone peeler, and a cleaning brush. This set allows for easy peeling, pressing, and cleaning, making it a must-have for every home cook. This utensil rest is made of strong, heat-resistant silicone and has many slots to accommodate various cooking tools while also catching drips, making meal prep more efficient and mess-free. And that was the lineup of gadgets for your home and kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting finds. See you next time.